So you want strong triceps, but you can't get to the gym, I got you covered. So there's always dumbbells, and you can always try the tricep kickback. And while a lot of people do this, they just kind of swing it. That's not going to do much of anything. So you just got to do a little bit of isometric hold and lean a little bit over, so to work on that gravity. So when you do these tricep kickbacks, you definitely don't want to go too heavy. Another exercise which is great, a lot of people don't perform this right, but just do it like this. But a lot of people, they have their arms here, they can't get their arms back enough because maybe their shoulder is not very strong or as mobile. The problem is you can't go too heavy, because when you have a really heavy dumbbell, you gotta turn it around like this, and then it can get kind of scary when you get really heavy if you don't have a spotter. So this is how you would move that dumbbell. So another exercise which is great is for triceps is a press. So you could do a dumbbell chest press, go on the ground onto a bridge. You can do 1 or 2 dumbbells and just press up. Just press like this. And then if you've got 2, or you can get a heavier dumbbell and just press like this or like this. So those work the triceps as well. But I do think the best exercise for triceps is push-ups. But if you can't do push-ups, there's modifications. So let's just start with a regular push-up. So you can always start with your push-ups elevated. You can do it against the wall, on a lower surface, something like, one of these. Table, kitchen counter. So when you're doing your push-up, you don't want your hands too high, because then you're working the shoulders, and people say, oh, I can't do push-ups, it hurts my shoulders. It's because you're doing it wrong. So take your hands like this, put them in front of your chest, and then externally rotate, just like a little bit to your pinkies. So that puts your shoulder in a safer position. And then what you want to do is have your feet hip width apart, and then I want you to take your elbows and rotate them out. Now, when a lot of people do push-ups, they put their head down. Well, that's not letting you get your full range of motion, because then your head and your nose is in the way. So, and then they'll bow their back. They'll do this. There, that's not good. So what I want you to do, elbows, I want you to squeeze your butt. When you squeeze your butt, you're engaging your abdominals, you're in a straight line, and then I want you to go down. I want you to hit your chest all the way down. And then if you want to stop, do a dead stop, hands up, and press. So that will really get those triceps really strong. And what you really want to do too is don't put the arms out wide. I want you to do narrow. Narrow will target those triceps. So again, narrow, squeeze the butt, down. You can do a dead stop or not, or you can just go for it. So I'm touching the ground every single time. And I'm going to show you something else. Now these are really great. These are soft yoga blocks, and this will get you into that really deep push-up. So have this about shoulder width apart. Everything else, the same tips apply. And then down and up. So you can see how deep you can go with these. Pretty crazy. So that you'll burn out really fast on these. And when you do, what you're going to want to do, so let's say you're going down and then you can't go back. Go back to your heels, go up, and then eccentrically lower. Now eccentrics are actually where most of the strength comes from. So when you can't do anymore, give these eccentrics a try. Now what you don't want to do is don't flare out your elbows, then you're just working your shoulders. So another type of push-up that is a bit more advanced, obviously these are advanced, and you can also do these deeper push-ups with a couple dumbbells. You can also try putting your fingers like this in a diamond. The closer you are, the harder it is. So you can spread them out a little bit. This is what it looks like. Same tips. Go on your tippy toes too. Down, up, chin up. Again, don't look down. Your neck should be neutral. And what I see a lot of time that men do this all the time, is they don't go all the way down. I call those cheap push-ups or partial push-ups. Men do this because they want to hit their chest, or because they just don't know, they're not going all the way down, or they didn't go all the way up. So this is what I see men do a lot. They go like this. Those are partial push-ups. So go all the way down, all the way up. You don't have to lock out your elbows, but do straighten them. So, and make sure again that the head and the neck are neutral. So that's what I see a lot too, is that people do this thing, and it looks bad, you'll see. They'll go like this. Like, why are you looking over there? Look right down here. So look at the difference between this and proper. And then again, you don't want to look down at your belly button or down at your toes. You don't want to do this. Straight down. So push-ups are great. Total body workout works, and it's much, much harder. So what's good about those is you can do as many as you want. You don't have to worry about doing too many and losing muscle. It's not like cardio. So let me know if you like this video by giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And you can also follow me on Instagram. And I've got another video right here that I thought you might like, so check that out, and I'll see you soon.